Shalom Chavrim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration, or if you like, a tutorial, on how you use the iOS app, My Story, which is an app that enables the Judaic student or teacher to create stories that have Judaic themes. Now, I'm making an assumption that you have an iOS device, such as an iPad mini, or an iPhone, and you know how to download an app onto your iOS device. So here's what I propose to do. First, I'm going to show you the story that I created on My Story. It's actually about where you can find Sukkot. And then I'm going to briefly demonstrate how you use My Story to create your own digital stories. All right, so the first thing we want to do is tap on the My Story icon over here, which is what I'll do right now. And I'm going to play for you how to use My Story for Judaic instruction. This is actually, as we said, a story about where you can find Sukkot. I hope you can hear the audio. We're going to read the story, which is the first one. If you want to edit it, you go here. And if you want to share the story with others, you go here. Meaning you can send it to others. Okay, so let's go and read the story.
Can you find a sukkah on a bicycle?
I'll make it louder.
Can you find a sukkah on a boat? Can you find a sukkah in an apartment building's window? Can you find a sukkah on the balcony of an apartment building? Can you find a big sukkah on top of a roof? Can you find a sukkah on a military base? Can you find a sukkah on a truck in New York City? So, Chavarim, where is your sukkah?
All right, so I'm going to stop this for a moment and then show you how I made this story using My Story. I'll be right back. All right, friends, Chavarim. So here we are, and if we want to add a book, we can either click on Add a Book here, or we can add a book here. And obviously we can edit each book's page here. So let's just show you how we do this. Let's click on this icon over here that says Add a Book. Okay, and we can give it a book title. We'll call it the book title, let's say we'll call it My Sukkot. Oh, let me capitalize that. Okay. And we'll call this simply a demonstration, okay? We'll just say demo. Okay, and we can change the color if we want and hit create. Okay. So here, there it is. Let's get back to it and let's edit the story. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find a picture. Obviously, if we want to draw on this, we can. You have pencils here, but I want to show a picture of a sukkah. So let's click on the icon that has the picture on it. And we have choices. We can look for a picture. We can use your camera. We can actually write text. So let's go and find a picture. Okay, so we simply click on this. And we look in the camera roll on our iOS device. And let's find a sukkah. Okay, so here's the sukkah that is on a bicycle. Okay, so let's click on that. Okay, and there it is. Now, if you want to provide an audio, you just click right over here. Okay, see this little microphone? And let me tap on that. Can you find a sukkah on a bicycle? And when you're finished, you tap that recording button. Okay, and hit done. See, done is over here, up here. So we'll hit done. And I'll just show you what we just did. Okay, so let's click on My Sukkot Story, a demo, and read it.
Can you find a sukkah on a bicycle? And when you're finished, you tap that recording button.
So we can go back, and if we want to add a page, we just go over here, and you see where it says Edit Story? I could just go over here, hit the plus. See the plus right over here? And I can draw by using the pencil, okay? Or I could add a picture, and I could add a microphone. So what have we said? What we have said is my story is one that enables the Judaic student or teacher to be able to create stories with Judaic themes by using the free iOS app called My Story. Thank you so much.